Good day everyone, this is now week 7 of 4th quarter. And into this week, we're expected to distinguish and describe the HTML font face, specify and explore the HTML font face, create and use the font HTML font size, font color, and font face in HTML code. So to start with, let us proceed to the day number 1 into short introduction about font face or specifying text font. So based on our module, text font is also known as the face in our HTML. The font usually available in Windows operating computer system are Times New Roman and Arial. While for the Macintosh computers, once we said Macintosh computers, these are the usually known as Apple computer. They are usually using the Times and Helvetica. Okay, Helvetica as the font face. The two respective font actually look almost the same. The Times is almost the same with Times New Roman. However, the Helvetica is almost the same also with Arial. Okay? So those are the font or those two are sample font face that you can apply in the content or to the content of your website or web page. And in addition, we have here the different font attributes that you can apply also to make your website or web page more attractive, effective, and efficient. So here are their tags and of course together with their function. So for the first tag, we are going to use this tag if we are going to apply bold face. The second will be italic. So this will be for underline, or this will be for the strike through. I guess you are aware with this different words because it is also applied with the Microsoft Office Word, Excel, and PowerPoint. Then we have also here the superscript. If we're going to use superscript or apply superscript, use the word SUP. And of course, for the subscript, SUB for the subscript, emphasis, strong, and emphasis and strong, emphasis is almost the same with italic, while on the strong is almost the same also with bold face. Then we have here also the word or the tag big, if you want to increase the size of the text, and of course we have here the small if you want to decrease the size of the text or what we call font. Okay, so those are the commonly used face attribute, and we're going to use them in our demonstration for better understanding. So here are the instructions that we are going to follow, or the steps that we're going to follow for our demonstration. So for this first step, open your notepad. Okay, once you open your notepad, of course, we're going to type in first the word HTML or the tag for the HTML, beginning tag. Then we have here the beginning tag of head. Okay, inside of the head, we have the title. Then the title will be your name, example, my name, and your section, example, my section. Then of course, if we begin with title, you should end it with title and title tag. Then end head tag. Then of course, we have here the body. Okay, and of course, inside of the body, we're going to use first the font face Arial. For the first content of your website, the font face of that first content will be Arial. The size will be 5, and of course we're going to use the this tag, which is the function of this tag will be boldface. Okay, then we're going to use also the line break. So let's do it. So font face will be Arial, and then size is equal to 5. And then the content will be, this is font face Arial, so boldface, and this is font face Arial. Okay, then end boldface and font, because we begin with font, we begin the end, we begin the boldface, then we begin the end, the font, so we need to end it also. Then we're going to use the empty tag, or what we call the line break. Okay, I guess you know already the function of the line break. Then we have here also the font face again, and that is, let's see, impact, then size will be 5. Okay, impact, then size will be 5. And a reminder, if you're going to enter the value of the font face and the size, make sure that it is enclosed with a double quotation mark, because it should not be two single quotation mark. There's a big difference between two single quotation mark and double quotation mark. If you want to enter the double quotation mark, just press and hold the shift key, and while pressing and holding the shift key, then press the double quotation mark into your keyboard. Then this is gonna be, let's continue, italic, I guess. Am I right? Italic. Okay, italic. Okay, so we're going to italize this one. This is font face impact. Then we are going to end the italic. Then we're going to end the font. Then we're going to use again the line break. Okay, the next font face is equal to times New Roman, then 5 times New Roman, then size will be 5. Then it should be, what is the attribute? Strike through, strike for strike through. Then this is font face times New Roman, and then we're going to end it with strike and end font, and of course line break. Okay, the next font face is equal to Arial block. Okay, then size will be equal to 5 again, and then underline. This is font face Arial block. Okay, then end underline, then end font, and then you don't need to put line break anymore, because this will be the last part of the web page, so we're not going to use line break anymore. Then what is next? So end body, we don't have yet end body. Then we don't have yet end HTML to end our HTML code. Okay, so that's it. That is how are you going to use the different attributes for the font face. So as you notice, we use the font face, which is our topic for this week. Then we use our font size, which is our topic on our previous week. Then we use also the line break, which is also our topic on our previous week or discussion video. So our topic for today is the font face, and of course the different attributes, which are the bold, italic, strike through, and of course the underline. So the last step is saving our web HTML code. So just press Ctrl S, then locate the path that you want to use or that you want to save in your HTML code. So our file name will be myfontface.html. Okay, then click save. And let's locate our web page. So this is our web page, my font face. So let's open it with our browser. Okay, so this is now our boldface. Let's see our code. Boldface, italic, and strike through. Boldface, italic, and of course the strike through, and of course what we have here, the impact. Underline. Okay, so the underline. So as you notice, they have different font face. So these are now Arial, the impact. So this will be the font face for the impact. And of course, we have here the Times New Roman, and we have here the Arial black. Okay, Arial black. Wait, nagkamali yata. Okay, dito we don't have equal sign. That's why the font face or the font size of our Times New Roman is too small. So that is number 3. So just put an equal sign, then press Ctrl S, then reload your web page. So it's supposed to be your output for this week. Okay, so that's it. So I guess you understand how the font face or the different attribute works. But if you're going to use the different attribute, let's say for example, what if you're going to boldface, or you're going to bold only one word. So let's say for example, you're going to bold the word this only. Okay, the word this one. Okay, if you want to bold that one only, or this word only, then you should enclose it with the bold attribute. So your end boldface is supposed to be at the end of the word. So example, I'm going to bold only the word this. So beginning attribute, then the word, then the end attribute, then press Ctrl S to see if that's correct. So that's it. So the word this is the only word that has the bold attribute. Okay, so that's for week number 7. Okay, it's the same as to the different attribute. It is the same on the italic, the strike, and of course the different attributes, which is the underline and the others. Okay, so for your activity for the week number 7, it is located on the day number 2. Day number 2, wherein you're going to open your notepad. For the head, enter your name. For the head, enter the title as my name. And for the body, enter your name. Okay. Enter your name for 4 times, then apply. Then step number 3, apply the font size of your name into 5 and apply the font face for each name. So apply also color blue for the first full name, color yellow for the second full name, and color green for the third full name, and color purple for the fourth full name as the font color. Then for the first name, you should for the first full name should be bold, second full name should be italic, and the third full name should be strike through, and the fourth full name should be underline. Then save your output as activity 5 font attributes.html. So your output should look like on the image below. So this is supposed to be just like your output. So that's it, expected output or sample output for the week number 7. So good luck, Louisians, and God bless.